In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Kit widget to WordPress page. We are going to move through a simple workflow in your Kit or audience growth area, then paste the provided embed code into WordPress using the custom HTML block. If you follow along carefully, you will have the widget showing on your page without any extra setup. First, click Audience Growth. This is where you will find the tools related to growing and managing your audience. On screen, look for a navigation area or menu item labeled Audience Growth, then select it so you are taken to the correct dashboard section. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This step matters because the embed code is usually tied to a specific form or landing page element. After you click it, you should see options for creating, opening, or managing forms and landing page components. Then open your form, choose the form you want to display on your WordPress page. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the right form, since the widget will pull in the same settings and fields you already configured. After that, click Embed. You are heading into the section that provides code snippets for placing your form on external sites. This is the part that links your existing form to the website you are building. Now click HTML. This selection is important because it reveals the raw HTML embed code that you can paste into WordPress. You should see a text area or code panel appear with the embed markup. Next, click Copy. This copies the HTML snippet to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the correct block of code, since this is what will control the widget display on your site. Now that the code is ready, switch over to WordPress and open your page. In WordPress, navigate to the page where you want the Kit widget to appear, and open the editor so you can add the element in the right spot. Once your WordPress page is open, click the plus sign, which is the button used to add a new block. This is how you insert custom content into the page layout. Look for the plus icon near the area where you want the widget to show. Then search for Custom HTML. WordPress uses a search field to quickly find the right block type, so type Custom HTML into the search bar. When you see the Custom HTML option, select it. After selecting Custom HTML, click Custom HTML. This adds the block to the page. You should now see a block editor area where you can paste code, usually a text field that is meant for HTML content. Next, click Edit HTML. This step opens the editing mode for the block, so you can paste the code exactly as provided. If you see an input area or an editing panel, you are in the right place. Now paste the code. Use your clipboard paste action inside the HTML editing area. Take a moment to ensure the entire embed code appears correctly and nothing is cut off. This guarantees the widget will load as intended. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms the changes to the page and keeps your embed code in place. After you save, you can preview the page to verify that the Kit widget displays correctly for visitors. And that covers everything you need to know.